Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with InkandInspirations.com, independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the United States. And in this video, I wanted to show you an easy card making technique, what I like to call the angled cut technique. I had seen it, several cards made with this, and I wanted to give it a try. So you use basic white cardstock or any color cardstock and some designer paper to make an interesting front for your card, and I'm going to show you what I mean in just a minute. So I have a piece of basic white, and this is cut at 2.5 by 5. All right, so I have my paper trimmer here, and I'm going to put one end of it, one corner at 1 inch on the left hand side of the cutting blade, and then the other opposite corner at 1 inch on the other side, on the right side of the cutting blade. So here I have 1 inch here. Let's see if I can come in closer. There we go. 1 inch on this side and then 1 inch on this side. Then I'm going to put my blade down and give it a cut. Okay, so I have two angled pieces. Okay, now I have a piece of designer paper, and this is cut at 2 by 5. And then I have a piece of cardstock that coordinates with that designer paper, and this is cut at 3 7/8 and 5 1/8. Okay, so this is going to be peeking out from the two angled pieces. Okay, so I'm going to line that up, eyeball it in the center there. And just put that where there's a tiny border on each side, and it's about equidistant from top and bottom. Okay, then I'm going to take these two angled pieces and I'm going to line it up where I have a border on the top and on the sides. It's about the same, and then the same on the bottom, and then I would adhere those down. And then you can stamp a sentiment, put a focal point here, but don't you think that's just a great idea for a card? It's easy to do, and again, it's with a 2 by 5 piece, 2.5 by 5 piece of Whisper White, angle cut 1 inch to 1 inch down, and then designer paper at 2 by 5, cardstock at 3 7/8 by 5 1/8. And I'm going to show you my finished card. Here it is. Okay, I used the Sweet as a Peach bundle and used a die cut peach, and I just thought it was really cute. And I hope you will give it a try. Visit my website at InkandInspirations.com to find out the details for this card so that you can make it as well. And I will see you again soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.